Hey guys, it's Shani Slade. I just woke up, so I'm getting ready this morning, and I'm gonna be doing something very interesting. I'm gonna be brushing my teeth. This is my morning routine. Just like to take the face scrub. I use Panaxil Acne Foaming Wash. And I just let it sit on my face for a couple minutes. And I got some wipes. I like to go in with the wipes. The reason why I use wipes is because I don't like to use like things with other ingredients on it, like fragrances, you know, stuff like that, chemicals. So this has 100% plant-based white material. It's hypoallergenic and it has no chemicals. It's just water basically. So I just like to take it and wipe my makeup off. Got my little eye makeup on still. Some glitter. So I'm in the midst of some things. So I'm back. I'm sorry, I had to go get my brushie. Start off with burping. I start off with burping first. Then I like to go in with the brush. Get my hair right. my hair ready for straightening. It's much better already. Let's think. I have a Garnier Fructis anti-frizz serum. That's what I like to add to like each section that I flat iron. Kind of like my hair wavy, but at the same time I like it straight. So I'm just gonna go with the straight look today.
Let's get to it. What's on my channel?
Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you no longer have to rush off to a job that you dread. A job where you have to ask for permission to take time off or approval to go on a needed vacation as a grown man or woman. Because Rockstar, that's really what you're doing when you're submitting that form for vacation approval. You're asking for permission from your boss. Instead, I want you to envision a situation where you have the freedom to spend time with your family, to pursue your passions, and to live the life of your dreams. This Rockstars, it isn't a dream, it's a reality. And with what I'm gonna share in this video, you can achieve it in just 90 days if you follow this strategic plan. That said, here is how I did it, and here's how you can do it as well. To achieve financial freedom in your
I really would like for you guys to subscribe to my channel. It's easy. Just subscribe. Like, just subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, that lets me know that you like videos like these and that you want to see more. I'm tired already. Do you guys like the burping? Do, 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 do. Hate getting hair everywhere, like. I love this color as well. Like, I've been wearing this color for like almost 6 to 7 months. So I think I'm gonna stick with this color for a while. It's hot in here. Sorry I've been gone so long, you guys. I had got a regular 9 to 5 job I was working that job for like 6 months, and it treated me good. It was absolutely amazing pay, amazing hours. So that's where I was, and now I'm looking to like be a content creator full-time and do like any other side hustle, not including clocking into a 9 to 5. So all your support is well appreciated. I will continue to make videos every week, if not every day. And if you like this type of content, like I said, go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button. It helps other viewers like you that like this content get access to it more easier. Like, I'm literally trying to get to the point to where I can do like actual giveaways and stuff like that, create merch and all of that. So that would be really exciting for me. Like, I've been wanting to be a YouTuber for years, and that will be a great way to connect with people when I travel and all of that good stuff. Nice and straight now. As you can see, my favorite color is blue. I'll be having a PO box for anybody that wants to send me some blue gifts soon. Like, that is my favorite color, and it's absolutely adorable. Makeup time. Go in with this color. It's my favorite color of the palette just because it's neutral. It's more elegant. I don't really do too much, just like a little simple touch up. So yeah guys, that's my get ready for me video for today. My missing wall, I had some electrical work done, so I had to carve that out. But like and subscribe guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Come back and peace.